So sa first problem, kailangan natin i-retrieve lahat ng primary products from the database. And kailangan natin siya i-organize then based on size. So first step para ma-retrieve lahat ng primary products from the database is need natin ma-organize sila based on size. So kailangan mo ring munang i-select ang mga product name and size galing sa product cart. Then gumamit ako ng IN operator para ma-select ang mga column ng CID galing sa product cart, and then gumamit ako ng group by statement para pagsama-samahin yung mga product name. Then at order by naman para ma-sort yung mga product name and mga sizes. So second is obtain products set to expire in August from the product table. So para makuha mga products na mag-expire sa August first from the product table, unang gagawin natin is select natin lahat ng product. Then kung saan yung mag-expire, so which is yung number 8, yung August. Then problem number 3, calculate the total sales from the product cart table including product name, size, and quantity. So first step is para makalculate lang ng total sales galing sa product cart table na ilalabas kasamang product name, size, at quantity. Una, select the product name, size, and then sum yung product quantities and i-multiply lahat ng total. So ginamit ko ang AS statement to give a column a temporary name na total. I selected all those values from product and then I use group by statement para makuha ko lahat ng total ng product name at sizes. So problem number 4, retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. So first, para ma-retrieve lahat ng records from the sales table and para ma-regroup sila by date, una is sinelect ko yung date and I use AS statement para sa sales date. And then gumamit ako ng account statement para mabilang lahat ng, then gumamit ako ng AS para sa number of sales. Then group by ko sila pa and then group by para sa date. Then last problem, determine the number of entries in the product cart table. So para matotal yung lahat ng entries galing sa product table, naglagay ako ng count statement sa product cart table para mabilang yung mga entries na nilagay ko sa loob ng AS for temporary name and para sa number of entries.
Thank you for watching.